Mom, good evening. Friday evening, and Mamma. I never change Saturday for Beba. I never mean see a wanting crab because my break. At some one, and one tea. Can't cry better to a babijana soon. At some Muka to Abapa. I can't cry better to a background, and sometimes what to come. Now, Monsieur can't no be dinner common or Cabana now do dear best son and the dear who swam one cassa when you budget. Then I hear him dear Beba. And I command Jantum to come crown to Minka. Onya can because I MPP ni. Because most of them want to come premix now from margarine, petrol and diesel. And I diafra, what can I do at them? Once a free education, a goomy catcher no crack at him say good. Mammy phone me donya me come now wait dear moon nim. I monsieur come. I'm betting up on a sube de. I bet bomb Mohammed, the better when you trust the wapi, so make Jimujuma, Mama, I lock your cram on your school. And the woman man in school no mon caden. Monko high diamond and time. Because some Susi can go high dino. Money pandrin who are up and so. Ya Kayana Monte, Uncolana in your school will be when your school or Bolly, or be on your school or Wally, and so when you're boarding. Monko high dine, Uncolana Bessay. Say I'm Beccatum say SSA mine. Monko high dine. Sana cra, drug dealers wahano. Uncle Anno near my son, baby, the whole world, they be woho. Mubekwa kwa handa mubehu mutu abafo mubete mu baby nka ese nyina ebenya abutare ka ye no mubi nkwa ka di ballot box mekwa gosi asa tru aba no foforo aya ye baby e wo ye nya to ye ntimi yini mfiso media man to bi etuma me party MPP e bana na be declare say na tem di die e di mahama ba power nti mahama anya ready yate e won ba ye say de be sana egu ni so the DPS address system ne be tie nyina ho. Okay, Vintela ba di salin kwa tem say niti se muchia. Wo de na ti se chimba ho self contain kwasia wo konse nyawa. Ade wo ba ye de sika protector ama wa be di free asa kwotena wo kitchen ho. E ba be kan kwasia se mombu asem. Nyawa ye me ya ye mampenye ye me ya. U free u kobi. So se wo pesa wo ha ade mo party mo mpeni papa. Na mimi de nyame ase because MPP NDC omo mba power da. Na hwan ana be flag barrier. I see a dinketia, and I want and sit down. Pa no be on the smoothness level. Who can tell us? I want to show who you are. I say, I'm out break. Who person do who bet you din? I bet you din so nanya your friends are selling koso. Boy no dini brew. MPP for and ya be bien to na ye do MPP. MPP a party be omo bapa omo implement bibi ma common Ghana. Eya din kura na obe won bibi koso. 8 years akokora na okasa obe wu no. Enne na asem na ba. Osemo hwana de oye no mumpa. Mumfa mo ba no nko private school ma mefo. Amu be list mistake be na apono so be ye wasa mo tire nipa. Mu kama nko handan. Na ye ho nto ye. Kama nko handan na nipa ho. Kama nko handan. Na ye ho nto ye. Mo na sefo afa na mo ko demonstration. Suck the dick fo. Yaje ye ntofo. Yaje ye ntofo. Mamu nko demonstration. Abayo obaso adebia odika wages. Nanado Ghana yedin even though nanado was yedin. But one day aban juma ni biaka. Otio biaka ebeka akra me se de omo wo de omo wo dispensary omo ma de omo so mbeba. Omo so beko demonstration. Amuna se for me se mamu try yam post mu baby e dangerous. Na mu bibi mu hwa de am pin ho. Yaje ye ntofo. Suck the dick. I will draw so for. Mamu from us and craft fear upon us on a hundred and dream. I'm for Munko. Munko na Munko tia a yidanka na mumbano na a Ukrobia development. Said a mupena ban more by an abasono. On one baba declaration. And attempt the DNA didn't buy power. Munko 10 Re-education and said any free sir, so now the register and a double tracker and a day. And no cramunya double tracker and come up and so munya. The Emmy Yana send me Manomania 40-50 no, ever seen no munya school and Emmy. That's a woo banya school, no musuka no be dinner upon sube there. What's a mukanka? Munya study war. Come on, I die any pan any son teteno. Bako din of now, we are born a pump no about why we can't cry. Concern trone wo so no amefo ni bi someone apa oba na ochepa the first oni hu baby kura odi bibi beto ono na ye twene sra dada sa de ne kokot no covid aba Vietnam no hwan ntokwa aba nso na na do tinemu wampa aba oseme hwan kwalai show mo agudi 8 years Until me feeding Colonel wa mom nyina day. It's some they say the for school soon. Now the right time you the beba. I bet Jana say and school system then. Me see free education, me catch on pense egu. Mama oni ska odi be hwe obi aba. Obi ahwe ne ba. Samu na mkan. Na afia den na mudwane. Munjina baby amujina mu na mkoto ye. Ye nya akra ga the ballot box no kwakosi ato aba no foforo. Yine fiso. So ye be ya ne de ye na ye bo mpa ye inshallah 4 years beba. Oma ye kwatenten keke. Waso chena kura anya ye dia. Enfa ye ni hwe because NDC ni bi ani obeba power biom. Because omkra mu ni obi obegina mu. Omo chire. Nipa wa ba good board nyina ye dia ma na anso no. And free education and school be na we ba 2 months na we. Na oba no ba 2 months ya wonje wa home. Ombe bo ade ye ofie. Amafo oba no ko 2 months 3 months betene fie bo a omo amam. Ehun se na abrabo ni school abrabo tie. Sa ankola no man passe. Ebi mu ni soldier mu ni police. Konkon sam. Someone come on ko yi mususu sika ni mu savings an ko digilo na ko handa ya man kola mbedi mu ni twasiri wa apinsu mami fo ni bisabe. Nkwa si ade na mu fi say da form. Ema kwa haya ba o. Mfama semba apinsu kra. Unye steady. Ahama na aba power no. Ono afa boga nye soan. Boli vandam no no. Amuzo mu beti pin. Kwa jiji loan. Quick loan wo ho. They say friend bills. Kwa jiji bi mfa nko tua. Kwa inda ema kola. Someone no be disturb here wa happy so ebe mama so an hesiu. De ye pese ye de ye adwuma no. Enya mumu de ani bio. Ai, se kutu se ba enya mumu de ani bi. Mate. Onye steady. Nko han dan no. Mahama na aba papa ba. Ai, sapr na aba no. Ebo anyuma se sapr. Hey, Edio. Wali commando. Oya nwa dear rough. Oya dio papa no. Oya dia. Mese munko. Obana nya wale akọ. Ko han dan. Wate. Obi a memo e complain. Se also by the school fees. Ai. School fees anu oje mo no. For all to me show about 3 times a day. So when man dey anu kura twice won timi. Na do aya ade papa. Nana. Akokura na oje owu ewu no. Timi a show about 8 years. Yo ya branch e osi ne hunam sisi ne ho so no. Hwe concert o yi kire nipa. O active film blue film. Empenyufo cartoons. En o yi kire mo. Sika so ni di o. Ni small for doson papa. Ni small for. Omu doson ankasa. Se maami bi nim na obegina apu isu be ma complain fa mahama ho aho. Obeti. Ida me mba na omanya school no na ha me. Maami fo ni bi kura anya enko omba na anya school no kura. Nanka ombenya school but ombe kwa han dan yanko mope. Kura asefo. Na nado osi free and shada nye free sa. Onkon seni. Open Mr. Pad. Mr. Pad na aba no. Pad man. Ono oba oche pad. Onya baya na wache pad. Unsurade. Edi mo besi ya. Aka vintela de. Anya de be declare. Mama nya ready wiki me kwa shapena manu aba. Be dem say this all the GPS beche me. Was no kwasi ya no ne kraman no. Se na tendi de na de ne pa ba pa no tro. Asama won say yenso no say ade ayekọ kura. Ayekọ NDC for mon come manage. Omon come manage your friend say galamse no. Ade gangari esimioni na dio esia no. Your friend say Sami Jemfi ene Mahama ni Ibrahim Mahama. Sami Jemfi akwam de nti a wo small for bebrenti. Ene obeye dede. Na edi nko si go da no twen. Honeska wo. Hey. Ewe yebre obi ade gold in beba uda sama ndo kra beba beje ye gold munya steady asia nso Sam George ni tika krakate sedan o to credit na fin du so krobo ni ohun duro won odun so won duro so ono so ne mrebe so time obi ane mrebe ba won't me stop galamse no won't me stop yo mami fo ne ntem na monko pelu nko han dan na schools na ba wo delay a de o manya schools na de o mbehye ho nya ne ntem sa mo say nya free sa mo government na ba na sapre president
say ebusia One video here share ye. E mun say mo ma me to dwane e no kre. You know, during 2024 election so what's not true mu na Obo Akufo-Addo din a na aswa bobu nsam bi din. Obo ba o me din a na ne na wase asem no kra. People were not ready to listen to anything. So sometimes I see people saying that na communicators na kasa. It's not like communicators na kasa. Like as a Ghanaians, you know, they were blinded by something or something, I don't know, or Yomo Drobia, because no one was ready to listen to whatever you have to say. No one. Now are you ready to listen to what you want to say? And I can testify to that, what the woman is saying. And a lot of people, you try to talk to them and they will not even want to listen to you unless Obi or your MP. But the neutral people and all those stuffs, they were not ready to listen. So I really understand what this man is saying. And the other aspect is that I was saying you guys should not come and complain about what you guys are going through. It is true though, you guys should not come and complain. Just keep quiet because we want you people and you never listening. So if today you guys are suffering, it's okay. It's okay, just continue to suffer. Why?